Did you know a group of flamingos is called a flamboyance? That's right. Flamingos get their pink color from the yummy shrimp and algae they eat. How cool is that? A flamboyance can be huge, with hundreds or even thousands of these stunning birds all together. Flamingos also have a quirky habit. They often stand on one leg to keep warm and comfy. And get this, they love to perform synchronized dances, which helps them bond and stick together as a team. Plus, their unique beaks are perfectly designed to filter delicious food from the water. Next time you see a flamboyance, you'll know these fun facts to wow your friends.